Alright, so for this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x is equal to 2. So to solve this, I'm going to use logarithms and the properties that come with logarithms. So I'm going to first start by taking the ln, or natural log, on both sides. So I get ln x to the power of x is equal to ln 2. Now, if I have something in the form ln a to the power of b, this is equal to b times ln a. So I have ln of x to the power of x, and I can move x to the front. So now I get I get x times ln x is equal to ln 2. Now I'm going to be using the W-Lambert function, which states that if I take the w of something in the form x times e to the power of x, this is equal to x. So we're going to want to put this in the form x times e to the power of x, so then I can use the W-Lambert function to simplify this. Well, to do that, I'm going to take I'm going to rewrite x as e to the power of ln x, because e to the power of ln x is equal to x. The ln and e cancel out. And now, x in this case is ln of x. So I have ln of x times e to the power of ln x. And now I can use the W-Lambert function on both sides. So I get w of e to the power of ln x times ln x is equal to w of ln 2. And now I'm left with ln x is equal to w of ln 2. So now to further simplify this, because we're just solving for x, I'm going to take e to the power of both sides. So now the e and ln x ln cancel out, so I'm left with x is equal to e to the power of w of ln 2. So this is my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of 3 minus 8 is equal to 0. So how most people solve this equation is they add 8 on both sides. So I get x to the power of 3 is equal to 8. And then they take the cube root on both sides. So the cube root of x to the power of 3 is x, and the cube root of 8 is 2. So then they get x equals 2, which is a solution to this equation. But actually, there are more than one solution to this equation. So I'm going to rewrite my equation here, x to the power of 3 minus 8 equals 0. And now I'm going to rewrite 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So I get x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. And then now I'm going to use the formula a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So in this case, this turned into x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So now I get two equations. I get x minus 2 equals 0 and x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 0. So for x minus 2 equals 0, I get x equals 2, which was a solution that we already got. But now see, on top of this, we have a whole nother equation with two more solutions because it's a quadratic equation. So to solve this, I'm going to use the quadratic formula. So I get negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 4, all over 2a, so 2 times 1. And this turns into negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 16 over 2, which is equal to negative 2 plus or minus negative 12 over 2, which is equal to negative 2 plus or minus 12i over 2, which is equal to negative 1 plus or minus 6i. So these are the two more solutions to this equation.